If you're looking to score a deal on new movies, video games, or Kindle books, the best time to do this is actually before the release date. Then you can take advantage of Amazon's pre-order price guarantee. Amazon's price for not yet released items will change between the time that you purchase it and the time it's actually released. But they will adjust their pricing at times throughout that period to compete with other retailers who drop their prices as well. You are guaranteed the lowest price in that time period from the time that you purchase until the time that it's released. So say I wanted to pre-order a Blu-ray or a DVD, I could head to that movies and TV category, and there's a tab right here for pre-orders. Now I want to make sure when I'm purchasing something before it's released that I check over here where it says pre-order price guarantee. That's going to guarantee me the lowest price from now until the release date. So if I go in here, a lot of times if it's going to be released soon, it'll give you a release date down here. But again, it says pre-order price guarantee. That means that I can purchase this right now at $24.99. And if that price drops lower before its release date, I'm going to only be charged the lowest price that it was. And this is the same thing for things like video games. So if I want to be in the video games category, I can find on the left-hand side the pre-orders. From there, it'll show me everything that is available this upcoming week or even up to future weeks. And I can choose that. And if I want to purchase it now before it's released, I'll pay $39.99. It'll be released to me on January 4th, so only in a couple days, but I could have done other ones as well. But I'll get the pre-order price guarantee. It says it right here. So if this price would go lower in the next 2 days before its release, I would get the lower price. Keep in mind that this is only eligible on products that are sold and shipped by Amazon.com.